High Court of Andhra Pradesh, my dear brother, Justice Bhattu Devanand, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and the Administrative Judge of the District of Vijayanagaram, Principal District and Session Judge, Vijayanagaram District, Mr. Gopi, President of Vijayanagaram Bar Association, Mr. Sanjay Rao, judicial officers present here, grand members of the bar, judicial fraternity, judicial staff, a very good morning, very good afternoon to you all. I know that we are behind schedule because of some unavoidable circumstances. Although I am very much eager to address the gathering from the bottom of my heart as a person hailing from this district, due to time constraint, I'll try to cut short my speech. And I know that you are all very eagerly waiting to hear our Honorable Chief Justice, the message of Justice Arup Kumar Goswami. It is indeed my great pleasure and a great pride to stand before you all on this happy occasion before the guest gathering and address you all as a judge who hails from this district and as a son of the soil. Honorable Chief Justice, we must really thank him on this occasion at the outset for giving consent to visit, for making his maiden visit to this district, Vijayanagaram, of resuming charge as Chief Justice of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh. And in this context, I entirely give credit to your Justice Bhattu Devanand, who has taken initiative to convince the Chief Justice to make his maiden visit in the state of Andhra Pradesh to this district. So I thank both the Honorable Chief Justice and our scenario of the district judiciary. This district of Vijayanagaram was formed on 1st June 1979, almost about 42 years back. Earlier, major part of this district used to be a part of the neighboring Srikakulam district. And this district headquarters, Vijayanagaram, used to be part of the Vizag district. So in 1979, after this district was established, Vijayanagaram as the headquarters, the Vijayanagaram district has formed, and since then the district judiciary herein has been functioning. As on today, there are total 22 courts functioning in this district, and 9 courts are functioning in the district headquarters, and 22 courts are functioning outside the district headquarters. The Honorable Chief Justice and also the Brother Justice Devanand, who has taken initiative to revive the concept of the son of the soil in the High Court, which was discontinued for a sufficiently long time, to enable the judges hailing from the respective districts to participate in the official programs of the district judiciary, which really helps the judges to know the problems of the district judiciary in their respective districts and to coordinate with the Honorable Administrative Judge and also the Honorable Chief Justice.
మనం ఎంతవరకు వినుంటాం సింపుల్ లివింగ్ హై థింకింగ్. మనం దాని ప్రతిరూపాన్ని చూస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈజ్ అవర్ హానరబుల్ చీఫ్ జస్టిస్. This is not praising their lordship. This is fact what I noticed for the last 2 months. Our state judiciary is very fortunate for having such type of chief justice and as head of our judicial family. Now I request the Honorable Chief Justice, my lordships, Arup Kumar Goswami ji to deliver their address.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. As you must have noticed, I have picked up a couple of Telugu words. My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Brother Justice Roy, Brother Justice Devanand, who prides himself to be, Justice Roy prides himself to be a son of the soil. There was another soil of the sun who was supposed to grace this occasion, that is Justice Durga Prasad Rao ji, but because of some unavoidable circumstances, he could not make it in today's function. Mr. G. Gopi, Principal District and Session Judge, Vijayanagaram, Mr. Sanjeev Rao, President, Bar Association, judicial officers and staff of the District Judiciary, senior advocates, members of the bar, members of the Advocate Clerks Association, government officials present, representative of print and electronic media, security personnel who are in attendance in large numbers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today is exactly 2 months when I assumed the office of the Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. It is my good fortune that I have been a Chief Justice of such a prestigious High Court in the country. I am overwhelmed by the sense of reception and welcome that I have been getting wherever I had gone, and I truly feel, though it is almost nearly 2 months, only 2 months, I think as if I belong to this place. Just is the welcome that I have been receiving here, and today was no exception. When the members of the bar had gone to meet me for the purpose of inviting me for this inauguration purpose, I was told, and that was echoed by Justice Devanand, that for last 30-40 years, somehow or other, no Chief Justice had come here for a variety of reasons. The moment I heard this, then and there, without batting an eyelid, I said, I will go, certainly. And when the cause is for the upliftment of the women, for the protection of women, there cannot be any better cause for me not to be here. And I feel extremely privileged to be a part of this inauguration of the Special Court under POCSO Act, and Special Court, a much more equal place for everyone. This is my first visit outside Vijayawada, last 2 months I was confined to Vijayawada. I can assure you, Justice Devanand had said, where women are honored, dignity blossoms there. Our culture is such that we respect our women, but ironic crimes against women, children are increasing day by day. We have to take proactive steps. Legislations have been enacted, and it is an outcome of that process which has resulted in the concept of setting up of special courts for women and for children. With the inauguration of these two courts today, I feel that perhaps a long-standing requirement of this judiciary has come to be fulfilled, and I think the stakeholders will be much benefited. I have noted down a couple of points in today's context raised by Brother Justice Roy. I can tell you that this will have my close attention. Not only this bar, the pending issues, things to be done in respect of all the 13 districts so far as judiciary is concerned, I will devote my time, apart from my devotion of time, to judicial work. This I can assure you, and I will do what is just and proper for the good of the system to develop and grow from strength to strength. With these few words, I thank you all for being present on this occasion, and lastly, I apologize for not being on time. Keeping time is very, very crucial for everything. It is not that we delayed our departure from Rajahmundry. We started on time, but the traffic in the way was such that it crossed our estimation, as a result of which we are about half an hour late. I apologize again and for bearing with us with patience. Thank you so much. Namaskar.